Hi everybody, and welcome back to Planet Zoo, where we are here with our polar bears. So yes guys, I actually just moved our polar bears in. There's the female over there. So as you can see, they just came out of their boxes. There's the caretaker. But wow, this guy is actually massive compared to the female. But they aren't doing very well right now, so, wait, actually, do you guys like your space? Okay, yep, we didn't even give them, oh, wait, this is a lot bigger than I thought it needs to be a lot bigger than I thought it has to be. So, I thought it was 700, I guess now it's 7,000, so, oops, I did that wrong. Yeah, so I just got our polar bears in. Wait, it was connected before. Okay, we'll do that. Yeah, so actually, let's do this. Yeah, so, I literally just got our polar bears in here. Wait, no, I pressed no. What is... Wait. Hold? Okay, we need to... Wait, why is this curved? Okay, well, I figured out how to curve logs, I guess. Yeah, so we need to way expand this, like, a lot. Okay, there. Now we can continue on over here. This should give them a lot of space, hopefully. They actually need a lot more space than I thought. Alright, now we can come in here. Yep, and now I believe they should have enough space, and don't worry guys, okay, can I not? Oh, okay, because that's like, we'll make that into a barrier that is, how's it doing now? Oh boy. Yes, tickets are underpriced? Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay. This is going up to 7. And this is going up to 5. Oh yeah, and guys, by the way, I made the amount of whatchamacallit? Whatever you call it, I can't find the right words right now. The information center, there we go. Go down. So, people should think that it's better priced. And I know, I'm aware, thank you. I've escaped in. What is happening? Oh, it's over here. Okay. Yeah. I'm aware, thank you. So this polar bear exhibit actually has to be massive. Wow, I didn't think it would be that big. Let's get us some curved ones in here. Okay, I think this should be good. Otherwise, yeah. Where did that whole wall go? Okay, I guess we're just making a whole new thingy. Because it took out... Oh, wait, no, it's right here. Okay, I was like, wait. Yeah, I know. Important alert requires attention. I'm aware of the alert. So people can actually walk all along here. And here, so let's actually... Ooh, this one can actually have... I think this one can actually have all-around viewing. because that would actually be really cool. Okay. We just have to make a good habitat gate. And right now, we're just here for the money. That's our goal right now. So that we can make, you know, like, a really good, oh, sorry, staff path. So that we can make a really good section once we actually need it. So let's get that all-around view of our lovely, actually, we gotta be careful on money here. Alright, let's work on the barriers first. So, I don't know. I think we can put glass all the way. Because if we have glass all the way, people can just view from every angle. Yeah, they're not escaped anymore. See, look. Wait. No, they're not escaped. Oh, we just got this. Well, yeah. There are no work zones. Wait. Oh. Yeah, I'm aware, thank you. Alrighty, let's get this little path up in here. There. Are you happy now, game? Uh-oh, 6. Was not a... Yeah. We know, we're aware. Okay, I think their coolers are one of the most important. Hello? Here we go. So let's get some coolers in. We need it to be extra cool over here. Okay, I think that should be good for now. And now we can actually edit the terrain and just make it snow everywhere. Because I believe they can actually go with 100% snow, so let's just make everywhere have snow. It'll just be Snow City. Okay, now, wow, I like how it makes everything rocky. Alright, let's do habitat. Let's just give them all the basic things that they'll need. Just for right now, then we can, there. Then we can, you know, watch them play and stuff. Let's actually put these everywhere since we're actually, let's just, yeah. Since we're gonna have this all around viewing area. Alright, there, beds and shelters. Oh boy. Alrighty. We're gonna, okay, we are very low on money right now, but this should be worth it. Huh? Do you like it? You like it? Are you happy? Happy? Why aren't you happy? Yeah, I know. Gosh. I know, you have no enrichment. I'm sorry. There, see, now you're cold. Are you happy? Okay. Wow, she's 5 stars already. Alright, so they're not doing very well, but... Okay, that just looks weird, but... We're low on money here. We have a good amount of people, almost 400. Come, migrate over here, my lovely friends. I wish we could afford some of those multiple entrances, because we need them already. No one's... Hey, you! Why can't you stay that long? Yeah, here's what I don't understand. Everyone's like, I wish I could have stayed longer to do this and do that. I'm like, why? Why can't you? Maybe get them a merchandise. It'll be risky on money, but... Aha! Here we go. And let's make you all migrate over here. Okay, so now we don't even have $1,000. That's how broke we are right now. Hey, you, where are you going? Heading to Cosmo. Yeah, no. No. Incorrect. Oh, that's why, because it has no power. Okay. Where do we have power? Okay, yeah, the polar bears are good. And I actually... Oh yeah, so now there's staff traversable area, so you can check out the habitat, which is actually really helpful. They added it in the new update, so you can see, once you have more complicated habitats. Apparently they can climb. I like how there's paw prints. Okay, wait, what were we looking for? I believe power. Okay, so we just have to move you a little bit more. Why are you all funky? Let's actually, here's how to draw people over here. You get a little merchandise shop over here. We'll have to edit the path there because right now it is a staff path, but that shall soon change. Voila! Okay, and somehow we gained money in that short amount of time. Oh, and we actually need to rename them because they're both named Nunik. See, he's named Nunik too. So, how about we name him something like, something with these mountains, because these mountains are pretty. How about... I'll have to think more about that. The female, maybe we could name Snowball. You know what? We now have Snowball. Our lovely female polar bear. And you... I feel like he would have like a tough name. He's like the protector of her. So... Is he scared? You okay? Wait. Did we... Oh, he needs water. 2,520 meters of water. Are you kidding me? Wow. Straight up wow. Hey! There's people! Okay, I'm sorry, but, you know, why don't you guys just, are we getting wolf puppies? Guys, we might, oh, sorry, sorry, Winter. Are you pregnant? Yeah, she's expecting offspring, guys. So, 2 months. Literally 2 months until the babies are born. Oh my freaking gosh. Yeah, so I think what they do actually is, like, they... Ooh, VIP guest. The first one that we've had. Who are you? Timothy, I think, but like spelled like, you know, people do their usernames. So, welcome Timothy. What happens if he's... Oh yeah, I forgot. It gives us conservation credits. Sweet. So I think now this looks so weird in the polar bear habitat. I think now we're gonna start having VIP people, you know, coming in. Alright, let's get some donation boxes. Donate to our lovely foundation. Because it also costs us money to put these here, so. Whoa! We got a lot of money. People must like what we're doing. Alright, you know what? Let's continue the path. Because people are always complaining about, you know, how how they can't see the habitat and stuff. Well, what if you could? What if you could see it from all angles? Wouldn't you be happy about that, people? Take that. Alright, so let's get this path in here. I think that should be good for now. We can add some more in later. Whoa, sorry about that, guys. Yes, people are starting to migrate over here. And don't ask me why I keep saying migrate. I'm just stuck in the mind of animals. So now, voila. Come, people. Maybe let's give them... There, benches. So let's give them some benches that, you know, they feel that they can come over here. It's okay. They're not gonna eat you. No. No? No. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. So yeah, hopefully they'll start coming over here. And yeah, we should be good. She's having her babies! Soon. I wonder how many she has. I hope it's more than one. Then we get to see, like, so many little white wolf puppies running around. So let's see. Come on, Moon. Where'd Winter go? Winter just left. Wait, seriously, where is he? Okay, you know what? Oh, that's so cute! Oh, there. Now she's gonna have her puppies. Oh, dang, she only had one? Who are you? Wait, we got a reward. Sweet! Breed a new habitat animal. Alder talk, but you are actually going to be... How about... Nah. Wait, where did he go? He just left. How about Bear? Bear's a cute name. And he is gonna be kind of like a polar bear when he grows up. Yeah, so... I think we're gonna end there a little early, but we got our polar bears and we got a puppy. So please like and subscribe if you can, and join us in the next step of our adventure as we continue with Planet Zoo. Nature Wolf out.